How do I learn guitar as a beginner? This is a question that I often get asked in students' first lessons with me. So here's the first thing I'll share. Keep it simple. How you begin learning guitar, whether it's acoustic or electric, you begin by picking 3 chords, only 3, and you focus on getting them clear. You focus on getting the chord changes working between them. You focus on just making sure the fingers are in the correct place, making sure that your fingers are moving swiftly between them. And why 3 chords? It's because when you pick 3 chords, you will focus on the fundamentals, on the technique, on the really important things that matter. 3 chords you could begin with now are G, C, and D. Those are 3 chords that are used in many songs. 3 other chords you could begin with are A, D, and E. You will want to pick 3 chords or 4 chords that are in a nice grouping together. Ones that sound nice together, ones that are played in many famous songs together. For example, G, D, E minor, and C are used in so many songs. Now, that's a bit about chords. And start with chords. You might see some players play with like solos and riffs and picking individual strings and finger picking. I often share with students all that has to be done to chord shapes, and that's why I really emphasize starting off with your basic chord shapes. I do have a free 5-day begin guitar challenge listed below if you want to check it out. It gets you going. It gives you the 3 basic chords to learn, it gives you the best fingers to use, and it gives you rhythm patterns to use, and also a few tips on singing and playing if you wish to do that. And within those 5 days, you learn so much, and it's free. So if you want to check it out, it's included in the link below, or it should pop up in the card right about now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.